28 years old from Singapore. He came to GLOJAS for the SMART FUE technique, and we have extracted 2,000 grafts from the donor area to fill up the ball area to increase the density. This area is the crown, this is the mid-scalp, this is the frontal area. Frontal area he has said, so here he's going to take the medication, Finastride and Minoxidil, to increase the growth rate here. This is the area that we have planted 2,000 grafts. This is the crown, it's already been filled up, and the mid-scalp to increase the density.